Hello, everybody. How's it going? I think I'm gonna be a little quiet today and just get stuff done. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'm not great at staying quiet, but I might even do some writing. I um I hopped back into my Miro board and I was trying to figure out the best way to like write story, dialogue, quests, all these intertwining um pieces of text that uh, there's like a progression to them, but then there's also this like dependency matrix. So I'm still trying to figure out the best way to fill it all in, and I feel like I got something right now. I've got every character's every character lined up in a grid, and if I just write out their sequential dialogue, then I'll have a good flow of the game, and I can mark off chapters that better show off like what you have to get done to unlock certain things and maybe make them time based. I don't know. I still have to figure all that out. Man, hats off to all these games that design these intricate resource management, story driven games. It's just insane. I bit off way more than I can chew, but we're gonna do it anyway. Also, I'm missing characters here. Carlos, Melissa, Oriole, Vic. No, I guess that's everyone that owns a shop. Everyone else, there's other characters in town, but they don't own a shop. I might as well put them in anyway. Birch Ruby, Benji, Stella. Is that everybody? The 5 shop owners, town council, side characters. I have Jules, but she doesn't exist anymore. And then Jarf. Okay. That's everybody. All right. First things first, there's a massive bug I need to fix. Massive. Do I have a camera? No. Day 2, that's cool. The bug I need to fix is related to Jeff. Jeff, come back. Cleanup crew. Shutterbugging. There you are. Phew. Okay. Give me the camera. So the issue is there's a cutscene that happens, and you can kind of break the cutscene. Just need more than one photo. Oh wait, no, I need actually those 2 trees, that's 2 cutscenes. That'll work. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna save the state. So I don't have to do this again when I log or when I restart the game. Yo, Virtue. How are you? Okay. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. I'm feeling low energy again today, so we'll see. We'll see how things go. Yeah, what up, Cog? Yeah, I'm just too used to the Mac. I don't want to use the PC as a main. The PC's here for help when I need it. Okay. Let's just make the bug happen and then start to investigate. Oh, Virtue, no worries, no worries. Next project PC only? Yeah, maybe. Not PC only, but maybe I'll make it on the PC. See if I like that better. Like if I do a game jam, maybe I'll use the PC just to see if that's better. Okay. Shutterbugging. Ah, he won't accept them until I get the green butterfly. Numpad, always numpad. Always numpad. Okay. If I give him a photo, he goes, wow, these are fantastic. Yeah. Gives us the quest. Capture the wild. That's the one I really needed. I do this. Got anything new for me? Yep. Let's take a look. This is all happening. If I hit spacebar, I'm able to talk to him for some reason. Pretty. Okay, capture the wild. Yep. What have we got here? So look at that. I'm stuck. But I was still able to interact with him. That's interesting. I'm finally mostly better from my cold. It's been like a week of hacking up all the gross from the week before. Ugh. I'm all right. I'm still, yeah. I don't know. I'm still in a weird place. I'm really happy though that it's cold out and rainy. Oh my god. Yo, TK. How's it going? Cold and I get to wear long sleeve shirts again. I love wearing long sleeve shirts. I love jacket season. I love wearing pants. So nice. Okay. So why would I be able to hand in a photo but not but why am I in a cutscene yet still able to talk? That's the problem. Let's follow the breadcrumb trail. I just wear pants year round easy. No, but I hate being uncomfortably hot. I have to wear shorts if it's hot. I have to. But I don't know, it's just very comforting this time of year. Starts getting cold out. There's like a crispness in the air that feels fresh. I don't know. I like it. I think right now also the rain is just matching my mood, so it feels right. Honestly, if it was sunny out right now, I'd probably be upset. But the rain matches the mood. Oh god, this music. I don't mean to be too somber. Having my legs showing makes me more uncomfortable. I know a few people like that. Now I know a few more. All right. So what is this cutscene? Visitor Center Interior. Also, this one's broken. Why is this one broken? Museum display snake. Photo animal snake. Yeah. Leaf cutter ant. Well, I know why this is broken. Okay, that one's fixed. But why is this one broken? Does it need to be added to a list? Pond biome. No? Museum display snake. So collection checker. I think this is where the cutscene starts. Yeah, here it is. Check. Cooked equals true. So when the player is unpaused, we check if this thing is cooked. We cook it when we receive a new collection item added. We check the collection. E.collection, which is in the event. We check our object. If our object is a photograph and it's equal to the photograph in the collection, we cook it. Okay. Once it's cooked, return. That's fine. Once it's cooked, we're fine. Okay. Then we unpause and we start this new cutscene. Okay. This cutscene, we wait 0.201 seconds because the GUI will unpause in 0.2 seconds. So we need to wait to repause. I don't like that. Try pause all. For some reason, I can still talk to people when I try pause all. And then I turn this camera on, which really starts the cutscene. This is the cutscene. Oh, look at that. I don't actually wait. Look at that. I do it instantly. I forgot to wait. I feel like I added something to the pause system that was like, is in cutscene. And that's a different kind of pause. Let me check that. What was that? I remember something that I checked for cutscenes. Was it inputs? No. Is cutscene. Warp system. Is cutscene. Character definition is cutscene. Player is cutscene. The warp system is cutscene. If it's a cutscene, we don't unload the previous scene. Oh, right. That's for like game over and stuff. This ain't it. Yo, Anihan. Thank you for the hydrate. Welcome in. How are you? I just found cute frog stickers in my pocket. I'm an adult, I swear. It's okay to have cute frog stickers in your pocket. I am covered in stickers right now. Like, I don't know what happened when I turned 37. That's when my brain's like, you know what? I'm gonna start buying and using stickers. My laptop now is covered in stickers like I'm a teenager. It's fantastic. And ever since every sticker I've ever purchased before 35, never used it. Never used it. Was too scared. I didn't like the commitment. Being a parent makes you find all sorts of trinkets in your pocket. What's going on, Hadouken? Yeah, that sounds accurate. Not that I would know, but I believe it. What was the script that I added a special check for if we're in a cutscene? I'll just look for cutscene start. Cutscene started? Nah, where is it? Ugh. Let's close all these. New day, new task. Cutscene. Where do I trigger the start? Full scene start. No. It's not full scene start. Here it is. Just cutscene event type start. Camera switcher listens for it. Input alert UI manager listens for it. Scene warper listens for it. Dialogue controller, is that it? Cutscene activated, here it is. Right, okay. I don't throw these events when it's a cutscene conversation. That's fair. That's totally fair. So I'm basically just gonna do the same thing in my pause system. In my pause system, private bool is cutscene activated. So now instead of cutscenes pausing the game, no. Ooh, wait, no. Oh, actually, yeah, I have a checkbox here that says send cutscene begin events, which is really stupid because there are many different kinds of events. I close all GUI windows. I send this event, and then I try and pause everything. But what I really should be doing is just having a bunch of checkboxes that like pause pause world, pause player. I should have like a game state struct, like a game state configuration that gets thrown with cutscenes when they start. They shouldn't do this stuff. They should just broadcast their configurations, and then everything else should listen for the configuration. That's a big refactor. What's the better way to do it? I can just I'm just going to take pausing out of that. So bool, public bool, pause player. Pause all. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it this way. Sensei. Hadouken, are you sensei? Are you TK's sensei? They were my stickers, not the kids. We got them when we went out on a dinner date. That's nice. Mobile is the death of me. Mobile's the death of everyone. Who can say no to free stickers? My partner loves digging in sticker bins. There's a store here. It's a chain called B-side stickers. And it's basically like every piece of media has like a section and all of the stickers and local artists and international artists, and it's just a giant sticker shop. I think it's B-side labels or something. What is it? I don't remember exactly. Stickers can be fun, but not sticker bombing. One here and there can be fun. Yeah, I don't like stickers overlapping. They all need their own space and enough padding between them. So humid here, you can feel how one more water molecule in the air would trigger an avalanche of rain. Yeah, I can relate with that. All right, so pause system. Pause system. Let's listen for cutscenes. If cutscene event, if e dot event type equals start if e dot cutscene dot pause all. Okay, so if it doesn't do any pausing, we'll just return. We'll just get out of here. Time scale equals 0. If only it were that simple. If only it were that simple. Are we going to get an urban expansion DLC where Alpine Lake becomes a bustling city? No, never. All right, so if the cutscene starts, we want to not unpause anything and pause stuff that is unpaused, right? Maybe? Oh, right. I remember all this code. The Q, it's Baroque. Yeah. We're just gonna pretend that never happened. All that commented out stuff. That was a bad stream. I remember that stream. I spent the whole time trying to get this like pause stack working, which probably would solve this issue, but the stack just did not work. Really wanted to see your take on building scale advertisements and murals. You mean like actually I don't know what you meant. What do you mean by that? Like how my building system would function? I can't even get a single building sim working. How am I supposed to do a whole city sim? I'm going to get rid of all this object stuff. So what was try pause all? Try pause all was set game paused. What I really want to do now is I want to as soon as I get a bool event that's like is cutscene activated. If we're in a cutscene and e.event type I think if cutscene is activated, we just ignore everything. Return. No bool events. You are not allowed to pause or unpause the game while there's a cutscene activated. Is cutscene activated? We say true. And then set game paused true, right? So we stop listening for all pause events and then we pause the game. It's pretty simple. It could be elegantly simple and perfect, or it could totally break the game. I'm not sure. We're going to find out. And then when a cutscene ends, we set game paused false. We unpause the game. And we stop blocking other pause events. Where the advertisements take up a whole side of a building. You can do that in a cute way. Okay. This little adjustment shouldn't totally break the game. I just need to make sure that I have this checkbox. Yeah, I got to go into every scene that has a cutscene and manage that checkbox. And then I have to not put the pause here if pause all. Now it's its own thing. No, we don't want this at all. We don't want this at all. Yeah. Okay. Yo, what up, Aaron? How are you? Shout out to Aaron. You go to Aaron's stream for energy, and you come here to go to sleep. That's how the world works. That's how Twitch works. What's an Aaron do? You know what an Aaron does. Aaron does game dev. Aaron does Godot. He's currently making a tower defense card game. Tower defense roguelike deck builder, right? Are those all the genre words? Did I use them right? Hey, Beegs. Beegs, how are you? Shout out to Beegs as well. I think you used them right. I'm still iffy on the roguelike phrase. Like, it makes no sense. I don't understand the correlation between roguelike and games that have roguelike elements. There's definitely towers and cards. There's definitely towers and cards. I have to say that the emote cannon redeem on your channel, it's super fun. But sometimes when I go a long period, I don't realize that my lag is either building up or reducing, and then when it's out of sync from what I'm used to, it like genuinely drives me nuts. I'm just like, no. I'm actually screaming at the computer. That damn lag. That damn delay. All right, so this doesn't need to happen anymore. The only gotcha is that it won't pause unless I have send cutscene begin events. That's the only gotcha. And I'll write myself a note. I'll write myself a note. Info. What are you doing, script assemblies? There we go. Also, shout out to Beegs. An award-winning game developer. This guy's won game jams before. Beegs bag chair. Hashtag. Also, award-winning Minecraft streamer from YouTube. If you go to Beegs' YouTube, it's like thousands of hours of Minecraft streaming. Hey, Lakia. How's it going? Good morning. I think we crashed Visual Studio. That's pretty rare. Is Unity crashed? No? Just Visual Studio. How bizarre. How bizarre. Oh boy. It opened this up in Notepad or text edit. Visual Studio's paused. Yeah, it's paused forever. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. Like, yeah. 100% Steve. Oh, Steve from Minecraft. I was like, why are you saying his real name? Don't dox him. But then I guess Beegs' alternative personality is Steve from Minecraft. Load from autosave? Sure. Here we go. Info. Do I not use Cyrenex? I do. Info box? Info box. This value is ignored unless cutscene events are thrown. Oh boy, overwrite. Visual Studio taking a mental day, yeah. My real name is like one click away from any social. It'd be fine, but it's not Steve. 16 people, no, 15 people just clicked on your name. See what your real name was. So I control V in the wrong spot and had like 100 lines of 3D text with collisions where each letter was as tall as the player character, just floating in my level this morning. Wait a minute. You can control V text and it pastes like 3D objects. What software are you in? You could do that in Unreal? Or did you do that in Blender and then import it by accident? That sounds crazy. Come to Unreal, nerd. No way. No way. Unreal is depressing. Unreal legitimately depresses me. Wait, what is this grayed out thing that I don't use? Whatever. Okay. Oh, send cutscene end events. That needs to be true as well. This value is ignored unless cutscene start, end events are thrown. I'm considering using it purposefully to block the player with, wait, with literally wall of text. That'd be funny. This music is so epic. What is it? Two a.m. I think it's, oh, it's from Animal Crossing. All right. Let's do this. So these cutscenes, these museum displays. Wait a minute. These aren't even cutscenes. What am I doing? These aren't even cutscenes. These are fake cutscenes. These are fake cutscenes. I guess I can make them cut. All I have to do is throw the event. It's a cutscene. Let's just say cutscene dot. Oh, I can't because. Oh, crap. Okay. I'm such a moron. I just refactored that for cutscenes, and this isn't even a cutscene. I need a function that's like cutscene, like arbitrary cutscene start. Okay, it's not that big a deal. Arbitrary cutscene start. Oh, no. I'll make it a cutscene event. I don't have to do anything, actually. If I throw the cutscene start event, I'll check for null. And if it's null, it's an arbitrary cutscene, and I'll just make sure the player pauses no matter what. Okay, I got this. Does the pond have a little roller coaster going around it? Yeah, it does. I have this like railing, but it bothers me. It looks between these like double layered railings and then this rounded corner or this like tube like wall. It's just too many cylindrical things. I don't know. I don't love it. And I don't love how the curvature here doesn't match. Like these match, right? But then this curvature doesn't match. And then this curvature is really tight. Everything just needs to be tighter. And this needs to be less tight. That's very low priority. Please add pond roller coaster or Minecraft or minecart. Listen, if you want minecart stuff, just check out Beaks. I'm sorry I'm saying all this stuff, Beaks. I hope you all know I'm kidding. Beaks is not a Minecraft streamer. He's a fantastic game dev streamer. He's just bullied into playing Minecraft. He doesn't even like it. All right. So the collection checker is going to now, instead of trigger this, it's going to trigger cutscene event.trigger. Cutscene event type start null. Player included true. NPCs null. And then at the end, try pause all false. So at the end, we'll say end. And then in the pause system, if cutscene does not equal null, so if it is null, we just go along our merry way and pause the game. If it is not null, then we check if it should pause. Great. Great. And then that's it. What are the chances that this works and I didn't totally destroy the game? What are the chances? Pretty sure I saw some Java dev for Minecraft. Is that true? You did Java dev to make Minecraft mods? Is this true, Biggs? Because if this is true, then I need to flip-flop my my statement previously. I don't like to flip-flop so much. Are you a Minecraft streamer or not? I've never used Java in my life. Okay. Okay. How do I have a null reference except I didn't even hit play? Stupid. Unity interface. Okay, I think I need to go through every single one of my cutscenes in the entire game and make sure that checkbox is checked properly. It shouldn't be that hard. So I have a couple here, right? Opening. Cutscene. Pause all. Yeah. You know what I'll do? I'll default it to on because that makes sense. Apply value to prefab cutscene. Yep. Okay. So now they'll all have it on, but fade in is actually fade in should be off. Okay, that's here. I don't even have, this isn't even active, right? No. I have one in town scene. They're all on already, so I think I'm good. Hotspot town square cutscene. Yeah, yep. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Unload. Were there any cutscenes that didn't pause the player beside that one fade in? I don't think so. What about the cave? Nah. No, I think I'm good. I think I'm just gonna hit play. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna start a new file. And see what breaks. Hopefully nothing breaks, right? Hopefully it's even stronger now. So I'm like spamming, I'm just like spamming buttons. Holds. Didn't mess anything up. If I go in here, spamming stuff, nothing's happening. Hit escape. We're stuck here. Yeah, that's good. And let's... Okay. So I'm going to force the Shutterbug quest on. Active. Main state, active. He'll give me the camera. Okay, I'll take photo here. And then oop, here's a prime. Okay, so now I have two things that go into the museum. All right, this cutscene works fine. Hold to skip. Yep. Go in here. I'm going to turn on capture the wild. Active. Take a picture of Jeff. He's happy now. Okay. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? I'm just going to spam. And we broke stuff. What broke? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Cutscene event. I see. Cache the agent state to re-enable it later. If cutscene starts, we capture all this stuff. That's only if the cutscene controls the player. What is this agent? Oh, whether or not the agent was enabled. We don't use this. Look, I don't do anything with it. I guess I want to say if cutscene is not equal null. If it doesn't equal null, then we do that. Okay, cool. All right, did I break it? Oh, there was something else null. Generate caret. That's another UI issue. Like Unity UI. How obnoxious. Change state A, do this here. I'll just give myself a camera. Tool camera. Give item, and then turn on capture the wild. Active. Okay. What? I broke it for a second. That was weird. Yeah, totally broke it. Still broke it. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yep. What have we got here? It didn't even do the cutscene. It didn't even try. Oh, I got another null ref. Now what? Warp system. Oh, come on. So the warp system only cares if e.cutscene is not null. So if it is null, we return. Oh, I have too many checks and balances. Bad. Who else cares? Does anybody else care? The event, the input alert UI event. It doesn't technically care. That doesn't care either. Pause system cares. Player movement cares a little. Scene warper doesn't really care. Warp system. I just checked. Camera switcher doesn't care. Cutscene nav? What's a cutscene nav? Oh, it doesn't care. Yeah, doesn't care. Okay. Cutscene UI manager. I have a cutscene UI. Oh, it's the cancel button. Duh. Does it care? It does not care. I gotta restart Unity. I don't understand what these bugs are. Yeah. Sometimes Unity just needs to be reset. You know this. Will you ever attempt to upgrade, or will Alpine forever be in 2021? I tried to upgrade to 2022 once, and I hit a lot of graphical issues with some random stuff that I was too scared to fix because either it was in like an asset pack, or I don't remember. It was something that was like, oh, I don't want to deal with that. and I just backed out. Is there a reason to upgrade? Yeah, the engine's always getting better. I'd love for the lighting to be improved for free. There's also a light limit that is, oh, that's why I upgraded, because they increase the amount of lights that can affect a pixel. And I want that really bad, because you can just spam lights and it's going to have artifacts if you put too many lights in the same area. So I did genuinely want to upgrade. I didn't take photos of anything. I'm also 40 hotfix versions behind the current, the latest one. So I might try and upgrade the hotfix, because right now I'm on 2021.3.5 F1, and they're up to F 44. They're up to 44. So there are 44 updates to this build that theoretically should be much safer. I thought that was just part of the vibe. I've been using Unity 6 Preview for GAM 3 Jam. How are you liking it? I downloaded it to check it out. I started working in Journ Jam with Unity 6. I didn't really notice anything different yet. Okay. Capture the Wild, active. Capture the Wild. Got anything new for me? Wait, what's this? Yeah, it still didn't work. So I think I know why it didn't work. It's because I wait to start the cutscene. I shouldn't wait. I should just do it, because right now it's safe to just straight up do it. It's very safe. Safe. So if I go to the collection, yeah, I wait. Oh, no. What? I trigger start right away. What is this? Oh, this is Final Fantasy 9. I'm like, why do I love this so much? Like, why is this bubbling inside of my brain in a good way? FF9. Kilika, where are you with the FF9 remix? When is this happening? All right, let's also do a little print. Cutscene started. Pause all. And then here I'll say print cutscene is active, ignoring e.event type. Okay. Kilka, where are you with the Alpine Lake OST? The music needs to be finished before it can be remixed. Collection checker. So who calls you? You do. And I do it instantly when the... Oh. I do it when the player is unpaused. I do it when the player is unpaused. But it should happen like absolutely instantly. Ad break in 50 seconds. FYI. Oh, you know what I can do now? So that was one of the reasons. That was one of the workarounds. Okay, that was one of the workarounds. I'd wait for the game to be unpaused, then I'd start this. This cutscene. But what I can do is instead of this whole like cooking and then waiting, I can just trigger it here. New collection item added. When does that happen? I trigger it in the collection tracker. And I collect this photo. I believe this collect photo is in the dialogue system. How accurate is that? No. It's called here. Collect next available photo. Okay, who calls you? Yeah, this is done in the dialogue system. Collect next available photo. Can I just start the cutscene straight from there? Dialogue. Conversations. Jeff. Quests. Oh, wait, sorry. Not really notice a difference other than UI stuff, but I haven't tried to play with any of the marquee editions yet. Yeah, I don't know. If I ever start a new project, I'll definitely use it. But right now, I have no reason to investigate. Not yet. Collect next available photo. Okay. So this, I can just straight up do it from this dialogue. Oh, it's probably the oh my God, that's what it is. It's the dialogue system is unpausing the game right after this. How do shops do it? How do shops do it? Because merchants, I don't have this issue with merchants. Why not? Why don't I have this issue with merchants? Dialogue helper? NPC dialogue helper? Nah. Dialogue controller. Delayed conversation end. We wait because we want to wait for the animations to align. What? So I wait 0.3 seconds. It looks like I probably can break it. But it's dangerous. You don't want people don't spam the button after you click to go to the merchant because you're going to spam buy stuff by accident. So I think people are better. They're more well behaved. Let's just see the order of operations. What's going on here? New projects. Yeah, I'd love to start a new project, but I still absolutely love this one. And I really want to finish it. Nothing will stop me from finishing this thing. Keep forgetting to actually take photos. Oh wait, can I just go to the photo? Prime photo. Pine tree. Give photo. I can. I thought of everything. Okay. Hi there. Capture the wild. Cutscene started. Pause all. Cutscene is active. Ignoring player pause. Ignoring pause world. Ignoring pause world. Ignoring player busy. Cutscene is active. Try ignoring pause all. Where are these coming from? So it's ignoring the pause from... Cutscene is active. Ignoring pause player from... From where? From cutscene events. Wait. It's ignoring it from here, it's saying. That doesn't make any sense. What? What? What is happening? Set player paused. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. That's amazing. So, player paused. Right, I don't... The pause system doesn't listen for actually pausing things. It only listens for trying to pause things. So that makes sense that it's ignoring these. That makes total sense. That makes total sense. But something tried to pause everything. The GUI tried to pause everything. The UI tried to pause everything, but it should have already been paused. Why am I still allowed to interact? Is that just an... It's possible I've never turned this off. It's possible I've never paused the interactable system. How crazy would that be? Let's see. Oh, that'd be nuts. This whole time, you've been able to interact with stuff while the game was paused, and I just didn't realize it. Where do I even check that? The player selector. Player selector it does listen for bool events. It checks to see if the player's busy. It only checks for busy. That's really interesting. That's very, very, really, very, really interesting. But it's a player controller, which player controllers listen for pause events. And when we're paused, we don't do anything. But does the selector respect that? Maybe. Or bool event. No, it definitely overwrites it. Okay. So, input button event E. I check if we're active and if we're not paused and if we're busy. If we're active, not paused, but we're busy, we do a bunch of shit here. We listen for cancel buttons only. We only do this one check when interaction is disabled in case we're using an item that utilizes holding to continue. Okay. If interaction is disabled, we release interaction button. That just resets values. I feel like I'm onto something here. Bull event. This is the action. This is not the interact button, so this isn't happening. Print player interaction button down. For some reason, this isn't becoming busy. Interaction is disabled when we're paused or busy or not active. That means when any of these are false, we're false, right? Let's select the player. Player selector. I have two selectors, right? No, I only have one. Got the camera. Photo. Butterfly green. Give. Pine tree. Give. Pine tree. Give. Okay. What is going on here? Busy. This is the checkbox I have to look out for, but really it should be debug. Paused, active, and busy. Where's busy? Busy's down here. Okay. I have to look at all of these. Okay. I select. We're paused. We are not busy, which is interesting. Capture the wild. We unpause and we're not busy. How is... Okay, so the player is unpausing somehow, miraculously. Am I throwing the wrong Boolean? That would be amazing. That would be amazing if I'm just straight up throwing the wrong Boolean. On cutscene start, pause true. Okay. On cutscene end, pause false. Set game paused. Set player paused. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see who's unpausing the player, because someone is unpausing the player, and it's not me. I swear. Print. Unpausing. Or I'll say player selector pause. Paused. If we're paused and active, re-register inputs because GUIs might have overwrote. Okay, I see. I see why I did that. All right, let's see who the hell is unpausing us. Someone's unpausing us and it should have been blocked. Sometimes testing this game is such a pain, having to like set up the right game state. Active. Tool camera. Give. Okay. Clear. Cleanup crew. It just broke out of it. What? Cleanup crew. It's not even, wait, what? Now it's not even doing the dialogue. Oh, it's the wrong quest. I'm an idiot. It's capture the wild. Okay. Clear. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yep. That's so funny. This is I'm hitting S and this is an editor issue. This is a Unity editor issue right here. Fantastic. Where's the print statement I just made? Player selector. Player selector pause. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Clear. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. Clear. All right. So capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yep. What is this? Oof. So line by line. Cutscene started. Pause all. Great. Player selector. Pause equals true. That's good. That's what we want. That's the cutscene pausing the game. Cutscene is active. We ignore, 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 ignore. Great. Player selector pause. False. Who called you? Because it's an I enumerator, or it comes from an I enumerator, I don't know where this is coming from. Get another photo. Photo, maple, whatever. Give. Oh, wait. No, it needs to have a cutscene associated with it. Photo, anthill. Leaf cutter ants. Photo. Pine. Okay. Capture the wild. Yeah, the last thing that's happening is that something is unpausing the player. So let's figure out who that is. It's being called from here. No duh. No duh. So who calls you? Only this event. Oh, pause player, yeah. Hmm. This listens for bool events too, right? Yeah. Let's say print asked player selector asked to pause e dot bool. All right, let's see who's asking us to pause. Get to the bottom of this. I could just do this. Oh, wow. So many things trigger the player to pause that don't get funneled through the pause system. Wow, player state. What is all this? This is the, oh my God. This is actually quite a disaster. But busy is okay. Okay, no, that's actually not a disaster. It's not a disaster. Calling player busy is not a disaster. The disaster is, I'll show you the disaster. Try pause player. It's this one. Pause player. Who does this? This is everything listening. The pacifist. Love here going through this as if it's the first time you've ever seen it. I mean, some of this code is years old. Years. It's the only thing that triggers it is this. This is commented out. This is the only thing that triggers it. That's so funny. Print. Sending pause player. All right, we're going to get to the bottom of this right now. I'm going to find out who is sending this pause and why is it getting through. I'm like this for things I wrote last month. How are you doing, pacifist? Oof, I had such a big lunch, but I'm getting so hungry right now. I ate like 3 hours ago. Gigantic meal. What is wrong with me? Give photo. And then tool, camera. Give item. Capture the wild. Active. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Skip, skip, skip. Fast forward. Jeff. We're going to get to the bottom of this right now. Ready? Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yes. Wait, what is this? Okay. So let's go through this one by one. Sending pause player. This is from the cutscene. Right? Cutscene started. No, it's not. Sending pause player. This one's from the cutscene. Then player selector is pause. Yes. Player selector asked to pause. Yes. Cutscene is active, ignoring this one. Great. Player selector asked to pause. Wait. By who? The GUI. Got it. Cutscene is active. Ignoring pause world. Player selector. Pause false. Wait a minute. Miss Puffles, how are you? It's this. Player selector pause false. Player selector asked to pause false. All right, who asked? The inventory system. No. Collection checker. No, that's not it. It's this one. It's this one. Right here. Player selector pause false. Something called this. Working and thinking about MP3 and MP4 players. You mean like an iPod? Like the original iPod MP3 player? Hey, Atrim, how are you? Good morning. Okay, something is just calling this in here. Who's calling this? Nothing. Player controller. Pause. Nope. Now I don't trust anyone. This is crazy. This is crazy because the only way this can be called is from here. And this was not called before it. Look, it's not there. So now I'm losing my mind. Different ones. Kind of want to buy or wish for one for Christmas. Mine doesn't have Bluetooth. I didn't think that anyone used those anymore. I thought everyone just used their phone. I didn't think they even made MP3 players anymore. You don't know it, but your channel is now why I dislike Twitch more. Apparently, when you sub, it directly goes to auto-renew, and I hate that. Holy crap, that should be illegal unless opt-in. Yeah. I'm just kind of aware of that. So anytime I sub to a channel that I know I just want to do it once, I immediately have to go in and cancel that. And yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that it was my channel that made you realize this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Who is calling you? Is it something on the player? Maybe it's something from... Oh, wait a minute. Doesn't this mean it's from the... It's from here? Like an event? It's like one of the... Like a Bool event listener or something? What does this mean? Process event. User, Boken, build slave, Unity, build modules. Like, doesn't this... I'm pretty sure this means it was called from an event. How do I find out which one? Set component enabled on dialogue events. Normal. What is this? On conversation. What is this nonsense? I don't know what this is. I don't think I use it. Player visuals. I need to find an event. A Unity event. This only controls Sphere Collider. Pool event listener. You got 3 more months. Not angry about it. I'm just pissed about Twitch having it by default. Yeah. Sorry. There's no on event, no on enter events, no on end events here. Player systems, maybe? How to debug Unity event. How to set up Unity events with a debug inspector. How to find Unity event source? Ah, come on. Is there any way to know what event it's coming from? What I could do is I can find references. Do I have that here? No, it's not an option. This is rough. This is a rough one. That's not it. That's not it. Set component enabled on dialogue event. On conversation. This is just empty. Why do I have this? Ah, no worries, Miss Puffles. Work is important. Nope, it's not here. What's up, Vin? Philips Go Gear Raga. I think it's called used for 500 knock. What's an NOK? There's a dope one by Sony. I can buy new for 5K, but 5K, so right. Yeah, what is that currency? I'm not sure. Norwegian. Ah. So the one you have cost 10, or the Sony one cost 10 times more than the one you have. That's a big difference. This is bugging me. Something is calling pause, and I don't know what. Something is calling this, and I can't find it. Player controller is calling it twice here, but that's fine. That's expected. Player movement controller. Ooh, wait. Player state. Player state. That's not it. Player selector is a player controller. Why is it showing me this? I guess it's because they're all part of the same script. It's about 500 USD. Yeah, that's a lot of money for an MP3 player. I feel like you can just get an old, like a used iPod or an iPhone for way cheaper than that. And it'll do what it'll have Bluetooth and it'll hold your MP3s. It's a high-end one. How? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I have a Unity function being called from the UI, from a UI Unity event. How can I find out which component is calling this function? To find out which component is calling, you can use a few different approaches. Event system.current currently select. No. Stop. That was horrible. It's not what I wanted. If the Unity inspector, when setting up the Unity event, you can drag. When I add debug.log, it gives me this output. It doesn't tell me where it's coming from. Using debug.log error instead of debug.log can give you more detailed stack trace. Use breakpoints in Visual Studio. How's that going to help me? Well, I obviously can't do that. All right, let's try log error. Maybe that'll actually work. I doubt it. Player selector. Debug.log error. By the looks of it, it's part of the delayed pause enumerator. But that's just the... wait a minute. Am I that stupid? So this is being called by delayed pause. Right. So then who's calling this? Only this can call this. And this is only called by... This is only called by here, by the delayed pause. I guess, yeah, fine. If I print this... No, don't crash again. Seriously? I'll get more value with a player than a smartphone. To be honest, kind of dislike smartphones. I mean, I get it. And it's just cheaper. And it'll work. Print. Debug. Wait. Debug.log. Delayed pause. This will give me a better stack trace than that other one. Like, can this tell me what called this IEnumerator? Find. The only thing that calls this is this. I was afraid of doing this because this is going to spam. This is going to spam like 40 things. 40 things are going to get this call. And I'm not going to know which one to listen to. That's why I put it here. That's why I put this here. Player selector. All right, let's just see what happens. I don't know. Maybe it'll help. I guess it's okay if it spams it because it's all going to be coming from the same place. I just need to look at one of them. Also, cutscene is active ignoring. I can get rid of that. This is rough. It's not really a price thing either. I will buy expensive stuff if I find value in them. I had a high-end phone twice in the past. Just find more hassle than they're worth. I don't know what I'd do without a smartphone now. Player selector pause. It's just showing up as an error. Okay. Yeah, so it's just totally spamming because everything listens for that. Everything inherits from player controller. But hopefully I can still find what I need. All right. Let's do this. 19. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yep. So it's still only showing me the same exact stack trace. Player selector asked to pause. False. From. Wait, what? Try and pause all. How is this getting through? Oh. Oh. No? Second pause. Is This is getting through here somehow. Delayed pause could call pause by end of frame. So it's calling delayed. But it's happening like later. Delayed pause true, delayed pause true. Yeah, this is breaking my brain right now. Player selector asked to pause. By who? It's the same. Oh, the GUI. The GUI, try pause all false. And who's this? The GUI system. The GUI system calls it. Why is that getting through though? That's the thing I don't understand. Because player busy. Oh, unbusy delay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So the player becomes unbusy because the GUI is stopping. That I expect. The thing I don't expect is why the player becomes unpaused. All right, I need to do this. So I need to see the event type. All right, we're gonna. I really like that song, but it's just like very epic and sad. It's kind of my jam right now, but do some Kilika. Actually, you know what? Maybe Ghibli will cheer me up. Yo, Arrow! Arrow, welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. Wardstone, how are you? 3-stream streak, yo! Arrow, how was your stream today? It's going okay here. It's going okay. We're taking it easy. I've been saying that for weeks, but we're still taking it easy. I'm going slow. How was your stream today? What'd you get up to? Everyone, make sure to click that follow button on Arrow. Tired? Trying to decipher UI without UI still? What does that mean? Finn, 7 streams. I didn't know you had it in you. I thought you were so defeated by your other stream streak getting lost that you wouldn't build it up anymore. I am wrestling an issue right now that it's been 2 hours and I still have not figured it out yet. I'm actually gonna put back the this thing. I need to know when these things are ignored. Trying to make a thing for conventions. It came up with a bit ago, but not in Godot for once. And what? You have anything to share? Pish, I lose them all the time. Yeah, there's only one stream now where I have a streak that I like to keep. Every other stream I try not to get too attached to it. Although I can't, like, for a while I had a good science streak, but they started streaming while I'm sleeping, like at least once or twice a week. So I'm constantly losing that. Let me see what I can yank. All right. I'm just gonna be here trying to fix this stupid issue. It's driving me nuts. Also, Jesus, where are my manners? See, I forgot how to stream. Raiders, welcome in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim life sim game. It's on Steam. You can wishlist it. You can play the demo. If you'd like to do either of those things, I'd really appreciate it. Wishlisting only takes about 4 seconds. Playing the demo can take a lot longer, but if you're interested in this kind of game, I fully encourage you to do so. All right, now I'm trying to fix a potentially game locking bug. It's not going well. Hello, Raiders. This is Andrew, and he's rude AF. I apologize for him. Listen, I took a almost a 2-week break from streaming, and I still don't remember how to stream. I still don't remember how. Also, I have a little bit of brain fog. New Jank, yo, how's it going? It's going okay here. We're doing our best. It's a bit of work, but what you could do is add a dev payload. Basically, everywhere you add inside all methods at the end, saying string payload equals null. And then at the top method, add random IDs. This lets you track from where it's called through all logging. Oh my God, that sounds like a total nightmare. I feel that I've been busy with whatever, so tonight was my first night back on. It's weird. Yeah, it is weird. It is weird. I've been really emo lately too. It's not helping. It's not helping the streaming vibe. Okay, so I need all these photos. Tool, camera. This is the one. I can feel it. Give. Dialogue system, capture the wild. Active. Okay. Yo, Anga. So my mic clamp took a bite out of my IKEA desk. Oh no. That sucks. It's been 2 hours with random 0.2 second delays. It can be hard to track. You're right. It can be. This is the one. I'm gonna figure it out right here, right now. I can feel it. Okay. Yep. So we're paused. We're paused, right? And we're busy. No, we're not busy. It says we're not busy, but we're paused. Debug. Yeah. Clear. Capture the wild. Okay. Got anything new for me? Yes. Wait, what is this? It unpaused after 2 seconds, after 0.2 seconds. So I guess that's the problem. That's totally the problem. I'm unpausing it after 0.2 seconds. And the repause is instantly. So yeah, that's it. Atrium, that's the problem. I always worry with those crazy clamps. Yeah, I don't use a clamp. I just have the stand sitting on my desk. Wait, oh my god. What is happening? Is this you trying to fix it with epoxy? So this is the hole it ate and now you're trying to fix it? Oh my god, it's so much work for an IKEA desk. But yeah, if you don't want to buy a new one, this is what you got to do. That's crazy. I'm gonna go play Call of Duty, but you're on the other screen, Finn. Thank you. Also, shout out to Finn, as always. All right, Atrim, Atrim. We knew the answer this whole time. You knew the answer this whole time. Wait a minute. I don't wait 0.2 seconds. Where do I wait 0.2 seconds? The pause system? Where is that 0.2 second wait? 0.2 F. Where did that go? Player controller? Where was that? Oh god, there's so many places where I have 0.2 F. Wait 4 seconds. 0.2 F. Yeah, it is here. The one thing though, so here's my issue. This is my issue why this probably isn't the thing. Yes, it's going to say, hey player, stop being busy. That's okay though. But the fact that we're unpausing is the issue. Why are we unpausing? This should get ignored. We're in a cutscene. It doesn't matter when this gets called. This I expect. I expect this to happen and unbusy us. And I could just like smash it with a club and make the player selector listen for cutscenes and ignore. And it's just another layer of security if we're in a cutscene. Also, don't accept inputs. But I don't want to do that yet. I'm like 10 minutes from doing that. 10 minutes. Photo pine. It's actually not a terrible idea. No, it is a terrible idea because I need to know why this code's doing this. That's me. Yeah, that is you, Finn. Don't fix it. Just bite it on the other side for some balance. The desktop was $70 for this. For this L desk. Epoxy from work was free 99. There you go. Are you trying to get the game to wait or something? The problem right now I'm having is something is unpausing the game when I don't want it to. And I'm trying to like force it to ignore all unpause events for during a certain time. So right now the player is paused in a dialogue. When I choose this option, the player unpauses. I want to repause the player instantly. And I basically am saying keep the player paused. Don't unpause the player. So I'm throwing an event the second I press this button that says ignore all pause events. But it's not. It's not ignoring. So I'm paused right now, but I'm still able to talk. And 97 freaking calls later. Whoa. Delayed pause false. Oh, because that's happening on so many different player controllers. Yeah, I've spammed myself too much. I can't even read it. So does this thing start instantly? Cutscene sequence. I got to take some of these prints out. They're driving me, they're muddying things up. Always accept inputs, even during cutscenes. You can get some fun game mechanics when that happens. No. Just speedrunners beating the game mid cutscene. I've seen it so many times. Yeah, I mean, every game has cutscene issues. Every game. I'm trying to make my game not have cutscene issues, but it does. How are you handling cutscenes? When they happen, they throw an event that says, hey, I've started. And then the pause system, the way I refactored it, the pause system hears that there's a cutscene. If the player is paused, we keep them paused. If the player is not paused, we pause them. It's that simple. And if any other objects say, hey, unpause the player, we deny them. We say, no, you cannot unpause this player. We are in a cutscene. You are denied, but it's not working out. Sending pause player. So where was that one that was spamming? It was in the player controller. This one's spamming. It's only waiting 1 frame. I feel like. So if we're trying to pause, we pause instantly. If we're trying to unpause, we wait a frame. And then we unpause. Maybe it's just that single frame. Can it be? By the way, I sent what UI I've managed so far in the stream team Discord. If you want to see, it's something. Yeah, let me check it out. Let me check it out. My fun attempts at UI in Python. Okay, so what am I looking at here? What is that green thing? So it looks like you're making like a list of things and prices. But what is that? It looks like you're pulling it out and pushing it back in. Python. What you got? What do you got up your sleeve right now? What are you working on? I would just do an in cutscene bool, and when a cutscene starts, it would be true and false. All of the and on all inputs at all, I would make a check. That's if in cutscene is false before doing action. Yeah, I'm doing that right now. I'm gonna do it right now because I don't want to have to deal with this anymore. So instead of trying to manage paused, we're just gonna have a 4th thing that can pause the player. event listener. Cutscene event. Hey. This dot event. Cutscene event. I don't like this, but whatever. Whatever. I can move on with my life. Stop. And then public void. If e dot event type equals cutscene. No, start. If we start, then oh wait, I'm doing this in the wrong script. Player controller. I want to do it here. Game events, bool events, cutscene events. Yeah, I'm done messing around. Public void on event cutscene event if e dot event type equals start, then cutscene active equals true, else if e dot event type equals cutscene event type end, cutscene active equals false, and then paused, protected bool cutscene active, and then interaction is disabled when we're paused, or if we're unactive, or if cutscene is activated. I think this should do it. So what does this mean now? This means the pause system doesn't have to know about cutscenes. But it does. But it does, because that's now how I pause the game when a cutscene happens. Okay. I'm okay with this. Let's see how we do. I've just been totally ignoring chat because I was so mad by this thing. So let me catch up. I'm sorry. I mean, it can be anything. It was supposed to be another screen you can swipe over to. Oh, like a modal window. Python, poor child. Unfortunately, though, it doesn't show anything because it's wacky. That's fine. It's all test stuff. Also, I like how it's not a Godot app, but you use the Godot logo for everything, for your icons. And then completely forgot about it when I leave. So instead, I figure, what if I make a gallery where I can save all the cool items I see and all the stalls with stuff so I can connect them? Now I'm confused. Wait, pretty much trying to solve... I skipped one. Pretty much trying to solve how often I forget cool stuff. I find at conventions. I always grab a bunch of business cards or see a bunch of stuff. Okay, I get that now. Think like Scholastic catalog, but you make it yourself when you go to a convention. I know it more than JavaScript, and I did try looking into using one of the wacky web dev things first. I think Python's totally great. I love Python. I made a sub menu that teleports the player to the same place every time you use it. That sounds useful. Ms. Puffles, what are you working on? I mean, obviously the Godot icon is traditional. Yeah, apparently. I haven't, it's just like looping on the side of my screen. Distracting me. Also, what's Kivy? Is Kivy a UI library? What's going on here? Where are my notes? It only makes sense if you read it in order, but yeah, I think it's a fun project. Just kind of planned all the UI out and then decided not to do it in Godot and found out I couldn't even if I wanted to. Why couldn't you? Did you want to put it on your phone or something? Because Godot doesn't have access to the camera on Android, apparently. Oh, I see. Because that's fun. Okay, tool camera. Give photo pine. Give dialogue. Capture the wild. Active. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Hi there, my name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. Still busted. Still busted. Wait, pause. Why doesn't it think we're in a cutscene now? Debug. Cutscene active. Huh? 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 Wait a minute. Player selector. What is going on? If we're active and we're not paused. Wait. I don't understand what's going on. Is it not coming from this? Cancel button pressed. Item action pressed. Item action up. So interaction disabled. If interaction disabled, we return. Oh, I overwrote it here. Why did I override it? Because there's a busy function, I see. Or cutscene active. Okay, okay. That was an expected issue. Oh, wait, geez, I just missed so much. I'm sorry. Miss Puffles, you're working on your second game. I hope to fix the transport to the same place issue. Could be a fun feature, though. It's funny when you said that because I have that in my main menu. I have a help I'm stuck button that ports you to the same location. So when you said it, I'm like, oh, that's a normal thing. You're going to build a plugin system in the game so you can put in photorealistic textures. No. Sounds horrible. No modding. There will be no modding in this game. It's a library framework thing for UI in Python, yeah. So the best that came up when I tried to look for stuff. Though I did also find PyQt and PySide. I'm familiar with PyQt, which maybe I'll look at. I mean, it's just for making UIs. I'm not sure how it works on like on mobile. Everyone telling it's a good idea to swap from Unity to Godot. I mean, how often do you need to access the camera of a mobile device? It's very rare. There's a community add-on for it, which I found after I started with Kivy, but it's not default supported for some reason. Reason I made it that way is because submenu was on a different map, and I never figured out how to store player coordinates on the map they came from. Ms. Puffles, if you have any screenshots you want to share, please feel free. For some reason, there's just no implemented camera server on Android, and it was only implemented on Mac and iOS until like 2 weeks ago for some reason. Oh, so I see. So it's implemented. It's like half implemented. When Linux got support for it. So they have Linux support and they don't have Android? Hundreds of features Godot doesn't have, sadly, for large-scale businesses. Wait, no. I see engine wars brewing. No engine wars. Bad. No engine wars. Though, to be fair, people were saying it couldn't do 3D back in 3.x, and I was still confused then because I only do 3D. I do legit like hearing about workflow stuff, though. Not even close. I just don't want to get aggressive about it. Don't really understand how much complex tech Unity has behind the scenes to support large-scale games and companies. There's just way too much tech and integrations built. Probably still about 4 years out until catching up to Unity. Sorry for the wall. No worries. No worries. It's not you. It's me. I'm extremely slow lately. I'm just like, I have total brain fog. Their entire addressable system and multi-device build pipelines. I feel dumb trying to track down information about 1900s style rivet and beam construction. I figured I would just find an engineering manual of the time. Instead, I'm scouring historians' accounts of it. Cog. That sounds terrible. I'm just true belief that Godot is about 4 years away. I think it depends on what you're doing. I don't know how Godot holds up if like a large game was created. I've heard that it actually doesn't scale that well yet. I don't know. I don't know anything. What you want screenshots of? Anything. It sounds like you're working on something fun. Whatever you want to share. Also, no pressure. You don't have to share anything. I have so many questions. Why are you looking at 1900s construction stuff? Cog, yeah, what is this for? I thought you were working on a modern day setting. It holds up for most indie games, but a company of over 200 employees probably shouldn't use Godot just yet. Yeah, I don't really know. I mean, I've never opened up Godot. I don't even know too much about the back end of Unity. I just kind of trust it. You know, it's just kind of out there. And Godot is, you know, I see it's being used by a lot of solo devs, indie devs, maybe some small teams, but I haven't seen like, you know, like a large scale game on multiple platforms that's like, this is from Godot, this is made in Godot. All right, I think I fixed it, right? I think I fixed it. Let's try one more time. Oh, this is cute. Miss Puffles. This is cute. Angel Codes. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. Fun fact, that's my first follow in 3 weeks. I haven't heard that noise in a while. These are really cute, Miss Puffles. I have to pick a favorite now. I think this... Okay. I think it's either the raccoon. Is that a raccoon or a skunk? It's this guy or this guy. These are the two sides of me. An absolute psycho or just a kind of well put together person. Hey, Lady Annette. You did get me last night out of stream time. I started watching your VOD. Thank you. Oh, right, ads. I'll wait. Okay. I gotta remember to not say anything during ads. I'll just test this feature. I think it's fixed now. Probably not. Probably it'll never be fixed. Give photo. Tool camera. Capture the wild. All right. Let's do it. I can feel it. This is gonna be the winner. You ready? Hi there, my name is Jeff. Spam, 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 spam. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. We did it. Oh my god, it's done. Got anything new for me? Spam, spam, spam. Oh my god. Yes. Finally. Wait, what am I supposed to do? You guys are spamming chat in ads, but I can't respond to them. And you don't even hear this. You didn't even hear the great victory of getting this to work. Only you heard it, Atrim. Welcome back from ads. This is what made my game freeze last night, spamming him. I just fixed it. While you were in ads, I celebrated. Shout out to Lady Annette. DB9 Dreamer, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you? But yeah, thank you so much for playing. That was the first thing on my list, is fixing that bug, and I just fixed it. It took 2 hours and 30 minutes to fix that bug. And I won't say the fix was elegant, but hey, I'm smashing the keyboard and it's not freezing. Oh, Miss Puffles, you didn't hear my favorites? Okay, I'm gonna bring it back up. So my favorites are this one and this one. Like on a day where I'm feeling real giddy and hyper, this is me. I relate with this one. And on a day where I'm just kind of chill, which just kind of like today, I feel like this. I like this scarf a lot. Just a cute character too. DB9, you good? I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I did give it a crazy stress test. I started watching your VOD. I did not finish it yet. Okay, you guys spammed. Let me go back a little. You guys spammed a little bit in the ads. I doubt Godot could if it wanted to, since performance is closed source, isn't it? What? I didn't go back far enough. Oh wait, the addressable system. Do you guys mind if I don't comment on your fight between Godot and Unity? I know it's not a fight. You're just having a discussion, but. Can we just flirt with Booyah through the ad wall? Stare, smolder, act aloof. Touch hair. What hair? Your hair? You have hair? Lucky. And back. Okay. We're just chatting features. Yeah, you guys can have your own conversation. That's fine. All right. So, oh my God, finally. I was feeling really shitty because of this bug. But it's fixed. It's fixed. I did refactor the cutscene system. Did I have to? No. Should I unrefactor it? No, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. I think it should be like this. This has been my whole issue. So like pausing the game, I always wanted like one bool to rule them all, you know? Just one boolean that's like pause game. But in reality, that's not realistic. This game is complicated, it has many different game states. And what I really need to do is check all the game states that matter. So being in a cutscene, that's a very important game state. If I'm in a cutscene and I'm not paused, then I'm paused. If I'm paused and I'm not in a cutscene, I'm still paused. Like, this makes more sense. Moving on. Sometimes it's cool to let chat have their own conversation. Anyway, let's talk about turning Cog's hair. I have shoulder length, luscious, thick, chestnut colored hair. Damn. What kind of shampoo do you use? Lady Annette, joining Discord made me see you stream, so I followed last night. Can refollow if you want sound. That's all right. Thank you, though. I've gotten a bunch of follows from like the YouTube video off hours, but I've noticed. So I took a long break. I took a two and a half week break from streaming, and I noticed that Twitch is treating me differently. I feel like it's I have to prove myself again to Twitch that I'm back. Waist length hair? That's long. So when I had hair, I never let it go longer than like 2 inches. I think two inches is as long as I've ever had it. And that's one of my regrets. I regret not letting my hair grow out at least once. And now I can't do that. You may wait. Sorry, Miss Puffles. You made the scarf in real life. I need to go line by line because I'm like skipping arbitrarily now. You made that scarf in real life. That's awesome. I want to see that. Sometimes it's cool. All right, I read that. The mini upfront download into a later download. Oh God, features skip. Atrium features skip. It's 2 meters long. That is a big scarf. Ear. You said ear. Oh, you were laughing at Aaron. Also, you got a badger plushie with a mini scarf. That's cute. Kind of obsessed with my online avatar, which is... Oh, I love it too. That's cute. Arrow, feature, skip. You just headbang in a waterfall, no shampoo? That's your style? Waist length hair, jealous. Atrium, features, skip. Good old algorithms, yeah, screw them. Computer, thank you for the lurk. We can Photoshop you some long hair if you like. Maripon, don't do it. Don't do it. I don't want to see what I look like with long hair. I might love it. And then I'll be really upset. I mean, I like the way I look bald. I'm happy being bald. I actually feel like I look better bald than with the crappy hair I had, but I don't remember shorter than shoulder. Damn. Also, Lady Annette, I appreciate the photo of your dog. Current and past. If I ever cut mine, I'll mail you a wig. Oh god. Oh my god, that'd be so creepy. We see stubble on the sides. There's still time. So there's stubble here, right? Like this is, I shaved about 3 hours ago. So this is as clean as it can get. But so this will grow out normal. It's this. If I let it grow out now, the top of my head is so thin, like uncomfortably thin. I can show you a picture actually. I have pictures. It's embarrassing. Let me look at photos. I have to go back. Where do I have to go back? What year? First time I shaved was in 2021. Oh, gross. Let's find a stupid selfie. Not that one. Where is it? Where's the perfect selfie? It's in here somewhere. No, that one's actually not that bad. Well, here's the problem with selfies. They're all from below my chin. All right. My wife's in this picture, so I'm going to try and not show the whole thing. There we go. So, see how thin it was? Let's see if I can make that same face. Did that work? I can't tell. I can't look at both at the same time. Too lazy to shave? Do it. It's a bit tired hair, so I need to cut. But still be longish. I will say that I love not having to deal with hair either. I don't have to comb. I just like drying it takes 1 second. I literally touch my head with a towel. Done. Dried. Well, now I'll never sleep. 30 plus years of hair can be in a braid for me. What did you do, Maripon? What did you do? That's horrifying. Oh, that's horrifying. No. Oh my god. I have Oh my god. That's amazing. Is that real? Oh my god. I bet it's a duck face selfie. Oh, I have worse ones. Like, oh yeah, look how thin it was getting. Look how thin it was getting. Look at that. It's horrible. Ah, oh, RIP. Oh man. Puppy. Puppy. Sorry for doing this on stream, but I have to appreciate the photos. All right, enough of that. Who's the 50-year-old? Thank you for that, Ameripon. Pep needs treats in the game. Yeah, she does. Trust me, I got plans for the dog. The dog is gonna get an upgrade. Treats. I want you to be able to teach the dog tricks. You got the Vegeta peak. That's incredible. Can this be canon? Best drawing to date, Miss Puffles. I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at those cheeks. So good. I bet that guy owns like 3 guitars and is in a Led Zeppelin cover band. Yeah, he is. It's my profile pic. Yeah, it's fantastic. All right. So that bug is fixed. Oh my God, finally. Spamming conversation when handing in photos locks the game. Boom. The beret. I don't know how to spell beret. The beret hat intersects bad with hat hair. That's low priority. I'm not going to fix that right now. I will put that on the low priority list. Graphics, performance, character customization. Add chicken guy. I do need to add a way to get chickens. Create hireable that cooks. Maybe I can work on that now. Made it in Windows XP. Is that in Paint? Beret. It's the same word in French for dating a bear. No dating. Let's see. What's in here that is more of a bug than a content addition? Still warping to town to pet the dog. Right. I had to take that out of the game. Add dog snoring. Yeah. Music restarts when you enter town. I can't recreate that. Watering needs sound effects and effects. Birds and crickets were going at the same time. Can't recreate that. Dismiss dialogue and next dialogue should be different sounds. Cave music. Cave needs music during music cutscene. Oh, right. I don't have music for that right now. Actually, I think I do, but I don't feel like doing it. Make arrow button icons. Nah, I don't feel like doing that. Better time date. No. Tooltip. I had delivery for Dale. Tooltip shown on inventory screen. Huh? Turned in quest. Got board game from quest board outside City Hall. What is that? I don't even know. Jesus, Finn. Finn, how could you? This is a PG-13 zone. I'm not refunding you. I'm keeping those channel points. Booyah shared a fake pic. I hacked his computer and found the real one. Oh, God. What are you doing to me? That's actually not so bad. Although these bangs, I don't know about these bangs. Wait, can the guy that sells you chickens be an odd duck? What? Like literally? Scary pasta. Wait, what? Scary Pastry is over there doing a whole dating sim with slimes, and we can't take the bear out for one drink. Who's Scary Pastry? Is that a streamer? I'm happy I can stress test for you. Lady, I really appreciate it. Everyone who's ever played the game and has reported a bug, immensely appreciated. I made it with MS Paint, yeah. Also drew fan art. Nice. Finn, bad Finn. That's why I use the proper word. Shout out to Scary Pig. I guess they're a Twitch person. I guess they're a streamer. Oh, wait, that icon, that's familiar. I think wait, did you raid into them today? I found myself in that person's stream, and it was when I was in a different stream. I just saw the tab that said I was in their stream, and then I just clicked out of it without even checking. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's why I recognize it. I've still not played the demo, but I comment on the YouTube shorts COG. I don't know which is more important to me right now, but I appreciate it. Oh gosh, why are there images of Booyah with weird hair? Because Ameripon has gone crazy. Hot. Suggest an emote. Wait. Oh, wait. I have a suggest an emote? When did I do that? Suggest an emote. I don't remember making that. Is that built in? Animals from the game, like the green butterfly? It's not a bad idea. Thank you for the hydrate, Atrim. I don't know what to work on now. What I could do is I can update the demo with that one fix. So apparently I have an suggest an emote. I need a new file for it. Suggest an emote. I guess I'll keep track of these. These are the things I need to do for release. These are the little things that are going to get in my way. We need a cave music emote. What does that even mean? I must have made that emote and no one's ever redeemed it. I must have made it like months ago, and not a single person has ever redeemed it until now. A frog boat captain emote? I think there's already a game where you're a frog captain. Also, that is not relevant to this. How could you, Cog? Oh, the lake should freeze in winter. Okay. I kind of want to do that. I want to work that out. What I kind of want to do is I want to have a zone that's like the middle of the lake, and you can only reach it when the lake freezes in winter. And when you run to it, there's basically like an ice level, like an ice layer, and then maybe it's not fully frozen. Maybe you can still fish in the middle of the lake. Suggest a decoration, an angel statue with their hands covering their eyes, and every now and then between nights the statue should have moved one square in a random direction, like very, very... You mean like in Doctor Who? What were they called? What were the angels called in Doctor Who? The Weeping Angels, yeah. Yo, Geofracture. How's it going? Lake ice skating. Yeah, I can do ice skating. That'd be fun. I wanted it basically to be a way to fast travel. Like there's zones that are around the lake, and I wanted you to be able to go to the center of the lake and then quickly get like across the lake, but only in winter. Instead of having to like go around everything. Yo, two nerdy nerds. About the in name recommendation, am I allowed to use the in name in my projects as well? Yeah, sure. Sure. It's basically just it gets added to a random in name like generation script where it can pop up if someone clicks give me a random name. Atrim, I'm gonna veto that. I'm not gonna add that. I love the idea and the creativity, but I'm not gonna put that in. So pick something else. Also, I'm not gonna do an angel statue because I already have on the list a Greek statue bust. I don't want to do too many statues. Yeah, I'm not doing it. But you know, you got to redo. Suggest something else. You can just keep suggesting stuff until I agree to something. Also, this was Stinko. If the lake freezes, can we visit the island? Yes. Yes, there should be an island in the middle of the lake as well. Safe, cute, and puffy. Miss Puffles, if you can reword that so that it sounds like the name of an inn, I'll add that. But I can't add it just like that. Back in my day, we used snowmobiles to fast travel over lake in winter. Did you? Sounds dangerous. So shout out to Two Nerdy Nerds. Did you guys know Two Nerdy Nerds is releasing a video game very shortly? Super Cat Cafe. This is going to be good. Everyone make sure to wishlist it and buy it on release. November 11th. That is in 1 month and 2 days. That's crazy. I played the demo. It's very cute and very fun. Also thinking of the pond. Oh, that should freeze. Yes. Okay. I'm going to start there. I'm going to make that pond freeze in winter. How am I going to do that? Let's do it. Let's work on that. Pond. It's just something to focus on. It's a problem to solve. I think I have a very easy solution for it, actually. So what I need is a version of the water that is frozen. Right? Let's just put a plane in the scene for now. Plane. Ice. Okay, so this is the ice, right? Do I have something blue? I can just throw a blue shader on it. Blue. Oh, that is... perfect. Okay, this is ice. Bear with me. So what does this need to do? This needs to have a nav mesh contributor. What this means is if it's visible, it recalculates the nav mesh. But which nav mesh? Rebuild nav mesh. Do I have the logic to rebuild the nav mesh of something not in the main scene? Nav mesh system. Which nav mesh do I rebuild? I only rebuild the nav mesh the player is currently standing on. That sounds promising. That sounds very promising. So all I need to do is I need to check what season it is. That's easy. Create empty. Season checker. Weather event system. Set active on change. So on winter, ooh, this is horrible. Can I have some, do I have another way to do this? Do I have like a date condition? Date. Event. Day event listener? On date event. Season. There we go. So on winter, any day in winter, I show this. All right, we don't need this weather event listener. Remove. Game object. Bear with me. I know I'm missing a lot of chat. So in winter, I want to show this and I want to hide this. If it's as easy as this, then I'm going to pat myself on the back because it shouldn't be. The one issue I'm going to have is I'm going to be able to fish in the middle of the icy lake, and I don't want that yet. Tamu Tamu. Tom Tom. Tom Tom. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Set active false. Okay, so the water turns off, ice turns on. Safe, cute, and eepy? Safe, cute, and sleepy. Is that what you meant to say? You want me to add that? Here, let me show you something. So these are all like the in names, right? Sunflower Stay, Harbor View, Haven Hideaway, Safe, cute, safe, cute, and sleepy. Maybe if I just add into it, how's that? Is that okay? Can I actually have an in that long? How about just cute and sleepy in? How's that? I don't think I can have it that long. Atrium wait, you redeemed focus, and I was focused that whole time, right? I didn't even see you redeem that. I like to get owls as animals that visit a lot in the evening. That would be very fun. I do want to add owls to the game. You can have paid lake transport boat, hovercraft. For out of winter. So out of winter, you'll have a rowboat. You'll have a rowboat that you can use. Can we get a giant gyro statue? Oh, gyro? A sandwich? No. "32 days and it's not done yet." Oh God. What is that pepperoni cross? It's creeping me out. Back in my day, safety and Karens were not invented. Just be fun to get out and that. Yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do, I like that idea that you can get to the island in winter. I wanted you to be able to upgrade your camera so you can get a photo of that snake on the middle island. Like the camera, like an upgraded camera will like reach farther. But maybe as a feature where, okay, maybe you didn't unlock the better camera. If you wait till winter, you could still get it. I think that's a good idea. Would it be easier to have ice over the water instead? Wait, what? That's what I'm doing. You mean instead of swapping them? Witch nav mesh. Yes, nav mesh for witches. Imagine having to load levels. I know, right? Wait, you said I know, right? I know, right? It's like 50s or something. Listen, we're not all using Unreal Engine with World Builder. We're not all making seamless worlds. Disclaimer, I like Unreal, but not really. Makes me depressed. For some reason, just seeing the interface is depressing to me. And that's a personal thing because I used to use it at work, so it's ruined. I might add seasons to my project. There's time left over. Adding seasons is fun. Gotta love that. This is. I gotta love that. Just this is horrible. I don't even remember what I said that about. What was the game's name? It was Super Cafe. Super Cafe. Doing a 5-year project, but I don't know if there will be time for anything but essential features. I understand how that is. That's a big project, yeah. Safe, cute, and sleepy works. I'm not quitting COD tonight until this sniper gets prestige. I can't believe you play Call of Duty. Call of Duty's a kid's game. Play Minecraft like a grown-up. Yeah, play Minecraft like Beegs. No room for Minecraft with the size of the Fortnite install. First project took 2 years. This project has bigger scope. Also need to remake the assets. Oh man, I'm really far behind in chat. Hang in there. Lady, if you haven't found it, scroll up. There's a link to it. Fins, don't get into UEFN. I don't even know what that is. You will never get your main game done. Currently on year 1, already behind. I know that feeling. Ad start in 58 seconds. Can I finish catching up in 58 seconds? Be right back. Gotta get lunch. Ms. Puffles, enjoy your lunch. You could be making seamless worlds. No, gross. OHMS Dev, welcome in. I'm having to use Unreal for college, and I really dislike how hard it is at times. Just want to add a slide mechanic, damn it. Yeah. Good luck programming it in C++. What a total nightmare. Getting it spelled help when dyslexia. Mr. Friend, thank you for the follow. Right on, a sim game designer. I'm into this and I don't know you yet. Cool. Well, welcome in. Welcome the hell in. Are we in ads? Oh, they're starting soon. All right, I'll pause. We're in ads. I'll pause. Except Atrim, I'll talk to you because you're subbed. Do you have support for paintings in the building system? Yes, I do. I have support for wall art and wall-related things. Like wall decorations, yeah. Ads starting soon. Wait, are you guys in ads or not? Did you snooze them, Finn? What just happened? Oh, there it is. That was stupid. All right. I think this is it. Oh, I have to hide all these decorations too. I'll just put the ice above it. There we go. Do I have an ice shader? Let me just see real quick. Ice. Wait, Wait, iced coffee. No. Polygon Nature Ice. That's so bright. And all it is just a light blue. All right, whatever. Let's see if this worked. I have to force it to be winter. Oh, and I have to undo it. I need another listener for not winter. Season checker. I need another day event. Triggered on start also? What? Oh, nah. Trigger type. Oh, yeah, trigger on start. Yeah. Actually, this doesn't even matter. As long as it's on start, I'm good. Date condition, and we're back from ads. Welcome back. Okay, let me pick up where I left off. Yes, OHM. Welcome in. Unreal is hard. You can ask questions. There are some Unreal experts in chat. I kind of know Unreal, or you can just hang out. Found it, was looking. Sadly, I'm on Mac and it's not. Oh, yeah, lady, it's not on Mac. I had to play it on my Steam Deck. It works great on Steam Deck. Mr. Friend, welcome in again. Yeah, working on a sim game. Feel free to play the demo or wishlist it. Any of those things would be appreciated. Unreal Engine Fortnite. Wait, is that its own thing? It's like the Little Big Planet of UE. Oh my god. Atrim, yep. Support for building, painting stuff, wall decorations. There definitely is. It's more of an issue with IK animations and Anim Graph. School taught us nothing about IK. Yeah, I would never. I don't understand like building character functionality in the engine. Like, I don't know. I would always just make an animation, trigger the animation. I don't think I'd ever make a game that had super realistic character movements. It's so time consuming. I would always do something cartoony. I'll flirt through the ad wall again, so you know ads are happening. Thank you, Cog. We'll see if we can support Mac closer release. So, Two Nerdy Nerds, you said you're not done yet. What's on your list? You're so close. What about a Harry Potter inspired painting? A portrait of an old man that some days, like every 6th day of the week, he is gone from the painting. So it's funny you suggest that because someone already suggested a creepy painting And their idea was they want the eyes to follow you when you walk by. And I never implemented the eyes moving around. Like I have them as a separate object so they can move around. I just haven't implemented that yet. So it's funny that you suggested a creepy painting. But no, I'm not going to do that one either. Because I already know I'm not going to create the extra functionality you're describing. But keep going. Keep trying. Wonder if we can put our photos on the walls. I would like to do that. I have to design every item in the game. I have to design a photo. That's what makes that feature kind of difficult. It's not out of the realm of possibility, but it's going to be hard. I'm not sure how I'm going to figure that one out yet. Do you like my plumage? Oh my god. Turtle dove. If you do it, it'd be amazing. I hope it goes well for you. Yeah, it would be amazing. Snowmen. I like that idea. Oh, I'm going to make a snowman mini game in winter. Snowman mini game. Oh, that's going to be a festival. That's going to be a festival. Done. Snowman making contest. Where's my festival ideas? Festivals. Winter New Year's festival. Snowman making contest. It's in. It's done. I love that idea. Wait, why is this not on Mac? Makes no sense. No, we're talking about Two Nerdy Nerds this game. There's too much on the list. Let's not talk about it. Oh god, okay. We'll move on. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do great. Like I listen that closely. Yeah, Cog doesn't pay attention. Just ignore Cog. It was definitely a feature that turned out to be too ambitious for a 5-week assignment. I just replaced it with target enemy lock-on. There you go. Maps of the area for the wall. That's a fun idea. Snowman player costume win. Ugh. Yeah, I haven't really thought about changeable clothing yet. It's gonna be rough. Did I catch up on chat? Oh my god, I caught up on chat. Also, I just got a message from my wife that she's staying at work late, which means I can stream all night, but I need to get dinner. Should I order something? All right, let's see if this frozen lake worked. I just want to check my frozen lake. Let's do it. Excuse me. Can you place stuff on tables? You can place stuff on certain tables, yes. There's an end table item that you can place things on it, like a vase, or there's a kitchen counter where you can place cooking implements on it. Dinner, is it late? Yeah, it's 6:30 p.m. for me. Look at this man living in Japan and not ordering sushi for delivery. I can just go get sushi. There's like 15 places I get sushi in a 2-block radius. Why would I order it for delivery? Send you a picture of my tacos tomorrow and suggest a bowl of 3 to 4 Swedish tacos as a decoration. You want your tacos to be a decoration in the game, like a centerpiece. Do you have reservations for takeout? I should make some. How do I get in here? Ugh. Let me in. Oh wait, I have to make it winter. Okay, I need to set this up. Am I weird wait, sorry, I missed this. Mr. Friend, am I weird if only co-work with people that generate intelligent chatter so I can do my homework? No. Well, maybe. But also, you're in the wrong place. This is not intelligent chatter. This is nonsense chatter. That game is exquisite looking. Sims are my jam. Which game are you talking about? Mine? No. Get out of here. It's all about Katsudan. I love Katsudan. There's a place in the mall across the street from my house that I get Katsudan for lunch maybe once every 2 weeks. I can't eat it too much. It's like really heavy. Yo, Dragon Spirit. Good morning. Yo, shout out to Dragon Spirit. Also, I watched your VOD. It was very, very informative and helpful. Thank you. I will say you had a bugged version of the build. None of the tutorials were functioning for you. So a lot of the stuff you were confused by was because the tutorials weren't popping up. I need to upload it. I need to push an update that makes them come back. It was pretty bad. Wait, you have mustard on your tacos, Atrum? Mustard on your tacos? What? What? What makes a taco Swedish? It sounds like mustard does, and that's weird. That sounds like a food crime, Atrum. Well, it was. Sweden's most popular dish and it's very different from Mexican and other places. Okay, I see. Your special tacos. I miss the Swedish sausage with mashed potatoes. Do you guys ever go to IKEA just for food? Raise your hand if you've done that. Have to look up Swedish tacos, beer back. Yeah. Let us know how it goes. Here in Sasebo, the local restaurant makes the crunchiest katsudan. Ooh, that sounds good. Yes, katsudan is one of my favorites. Well, I am the only one that has mustard on it. So it's just a you thing. It's not a Swedish thing. That's okay because that might otherwise keep happening to a lot of people playing your demo. I'm so happy I found it for you. Yeah, it's very helpful. Thank you. Bananas on pizza? What? Wait, who's talking about bananas on pizza? This is a classic Swedish taco. This looks like normal, you know, at-home taco night. You got your guac, you got your vegetables, shredded lettuce. Is this beef? Sour cream. What are these? What are these? What the hell are these things? Taco boats? I've never seen that before. It's the lounge motif with the piano music that's keeping me here. This is a good one. It's a Studio Ghibli bossa nova. Get the pickled onions. Taco bowl slap? I've never seen these before. But yeah, I'm not adding that as a decoration, Atrum. Try again. I'm not going to add tacos. No one's going to want to decorate their inn with tacos. I have tacos in the game. Like, you can make tacos. You can put them on the buffet table, and then tacos are there. Player Mihai. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. That looks like normal tacos. Why are you slathering with mustard? Yeah. It was for optimization. I don't have a good recycle station nearby, so I swapped out the salsa for mustard. I don't understand. You have pickled onions. You have chopped tomatoes and corn. You don't need salsa. You're good. Tacos are good everywhere. Love those as well here in the Netherlands. Yeah, tacos are great. I've had some really good tacos here. There's a place one train stop away from me that sells banger tacos. I was just thinking a small bowl with 3 pre-wrapped tacos that contain mustard. No, try again. Try again. All right, I was trying to... I'm just trying to check this ice. Hike, loop, A. Where is it? There it is. No, not hike, loop, A. Damn it. Remove. Visitor center. Visitor center scene. You. Turn off box collider. Turn off nav mesh. Turn off obstacle. There we go. Okay. And now time system. Hang in there. We're almost there. I'm ignoring all of you so I can finish this one thought. Okay. 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 Back to Unity. So now I can make it whatever time I want. You can also use lefse for tacos. What is lefse? What about pineapple plushie? Oh, wait. I didn't even comment on the one thing that I read in my head. Swedish put bananas on pizza. What? Can we talk about that for a second? Can we talk about that for a second? Because something opened up my eyes here, and I'm open to all pizzas now. In the summer in Tokyo, it gets to be 100 degrees and humid every day for 3 months straight. And there's a pizza place near me, very, very good pizza place. And I can say that because I know what good pizza tastes like. I'm from New York. I know what good pizza tastes like. This is very good pizza. And during the summer, there's this popular dessert that almost every cafe serves. It's called kakigori. It's just a mound of shaved ice covered in syrup. So what this restaurant did, they made pizza kakigori, which they took tomatoes, diced up tomatoes, froze it, and put shaved ice in it. So it was like a mixture of, I guess it was just the water from the tomato that froze, which made crystal shards of ice. So it was ice tomatoes on pizza. And it was incredible. It was so good. They basically gave you a bowl of the iced tomatoes and a hot ass pizza covered in, cheese. I don't think there was sauce on it. I think it was just cheese. And you cover it with the tomato ice. It was amazing. Oh my God. I've talked about it on stream before because it was just so good. What about a pineapple plushie that is named Ananananas? I do like the idea of plushies. How about I'll do like a giant bear plushie? Like one of those bears that sits in the corner of the room, upright. I miss horchata drinks. Yeah, horchatas are good. Banana curry pizza. I'm listening. I'm not on board yet, but I'm definitely listening. I would try it. New York just bullies the rest of the states about pizza. It's not that great. Same with Chicago, not great. Cog. There's tons of terrible pizza in New York. And I've actually never been to Chicago, so I can't comment. But it's the gems. It's the gems of New York that stand out. And that's what I'm going by. I also have an authority on bagels, and they're very rare to find a good one. It's very hard to find a good bagel. Outside of like 6 places in the world. That does sound nice on a hot day. Yeah, it was really good. I was so surprised. My wife wanted it. I'm like, I don't want ice pizza. I want pizza. I don't want ice pizza. And then we got it reluctantly because the person next to us was like, we just ordered it. It's incredible. And I'm like, really? All right, fine. We got it. It was incredible. No regrets. Chicago deep dish is too soupy. I've never had deep dish before. I think it's a rivalry thing. The pineapple joke is that the pineapple is called something similar to ananas. Yeah. I got that. But pineapple in English, yeah. I'm happy to do like a giant plushie or some kind of plushie. Not that though. Not a pineapple. Yeah, it's ananas and everything. That's funny. I ate a bagel with a spoon to annoy my friend from Buffalo once. What? What does that even mean? Agreed with the OHMS. It should just come with grilled cheese to dip in it. That sounds pretty good, actually. Pina in Spanish, HM. I can't get that darn tilde above the N. Oh, wait, the enye? Actually, I don't remember how to do that anymore. I used to know how to do it on PC. It was like Windows 145 or something. I don't know how to do it on Mac. I think it was like 145 on the numpad. Or no, is that upside down exclamation mark? Pronounced pina. Well, there we go. That's probably why it's called that in English. All right, where was I? Let's make it winter. So add minutes. How many minutes are in a day? So add 1,000 minutes. Where does that make us? Nope. Add 10,000 minutes? Day 8, day 15, day 22. Oh, no, demo mode. Demo mode can't go to winter. I got to turn off demo mode. That's funny. Player Mihai, thank you for the hydrate. How did you determine that your game will be played and therefore worth your time to build? Assume I'm ignorant. That's a good question. I was sitting on the couch and my wife and I came up with the idea while playing Stardew Valley, and I don't know, it just sounded like a good idea. And then I started researching other games like it. Couldn't find any. Couldn't find any games like the one I wanted to build. So just started building, prototyping. And a couple of years later, I finally got into someone's hands. I would get like some feedback about like, oh, the game looks cool, whatever. Then finally, I got into people's hands and people enjoyed it. People liked the screenshots. Wait, so it's winter, but oh wait, month 4, that's spring. Whoops, add minutes, add minutes. Month 5, month 6. I broke it. I broke the game. Wait, why? Is this the bug that has been eluding me? But yeah, people started liking it, so I kept making it. Back to work, Miss Puffles. Enjoy your work. If you're back phone, enjoy your phone call. Also, I dislike cracker crust pizza. It just wants to get dust and crumbs everywhere. Yeah, no, the crust can't just be a cracker. It has to have volume to it. It has to be crispy and doughy at the same time. It has to be crispy on the outside. It has to be doughy on the inside. Has to. Okay, so you can place down a desk with a computer, and instead of going to bed, you can skip the night by sitting at the desk, and you only regain half the energy. Genius. How is that a decoration? That's a whole mechanic. I mean, maybe I can... No, that's just a mechanic. Considering a download, thanks for answering. Of course. And yeah, play it. Do it up. 30,000 minutes. Add. 5,000 minutes. Eat tea leaf. No, don't eat tea leaf. I want month 3. There we go, month 3. So if I fast forward and let the day end, I'll wake up and it'll be winter. Yeah, it says winter. Okay. Now it's winter. Whoa! What is happening? Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay. This is the best bug I've ever run into. So the forest is growing at a ridiculous rate because it's trying to catch up to the days that have passed. Like 80 days just passed. So that's what happens when a day passes, but it happened 80 times and it happened in real time and you're able to watch it, and that was kind of fun. The trees like grew and spread over time. That was cool. And they grew into the house. Oh god. I haven't seen it with snow in a while. I love it. If you enjoy your game, other people will enjoy it too. Com.b. That's also a good point. Oh, I can't get through. Okay, so this is what happens when you let 80 days go by and you don't prune the forest. So this is a problem. Also, they should not be growing on the path. I can't even get through it all. This is amazing. I can't get through it. There's too many trees. Oh my god. I need to give myself the Sword of Destiny. There we go. Okay. We have a frozen lake. Look at that. It's frozen. And can I walk on it? Can I walk on it? Ah, no. Wait, why is this popping up? I'm not in demo mode. Ugh, I was right there. Why did it wait until right before I was going to stand on it to pop up? What? Ugh, how annoying. Also, these print statements are driving me nuts. Oh, that was so stupid. By the way, a mustard condiment for tacos is an anti-endorsement for what is traditionally a tasty meal. We need to have an RTS minigame with frogs and other woodland critters. Are you talking about the other game I was making? Did you see me show off the game I was making previous to this, which was basically that? Don't hate on my mustard tacos. Oh, you asked for it. I'd eat one just for giggles, maybe. Yo, Augie, how's it going? I'm gonna go for now. Listen to music. Stay safe. Miss Puffles, have a good one. Catch you next time. I have that all. Wait, I have that all the winters. Suddenly a tree grows through my house. Perfect normal. Yeah. Yo, Augie. Going all right? Just played Genshin all day? Nice. I tried playing Genshin once. I didn't get it. I was confused. Stop playing it. How are things otherwise? Shout out to Augie. Everyone make sure to follow Augie. Game dev, game player apparently. Although you don't play games too much. You mostly game dev. The story quest took 8 hours. Like one single quest? Or you mean like the whole game's story mode? Augie's a Pokemon streamer now? Yeah, he is. I use Johnny's, I cannot pronounce that, and I won't even try. Sweet mustard. Wait a minute. It's a sweet mustard? What is that even? Oh, no. Tastes as a nice balance between acid and sweetness with a small tone of honey. Wait, I'm grinding DSAs like a grandpa at this rate. I'll complete my daily leet code quota like never. Shuts up and starts working. Wait, what's DSA? Just build an AoE chainsaw. That's what I have. I have the debug sword, which mows down everything. I also want to mention I ate the mustard taco every day for a year while I was doing my indie career. Oh my god. Maybe Booyah, I just wanted a shitpost because Atrim was. Maybe what? I don't remember. The latest story? Yes, I make Pokemans. Yeah, so Augie's working on a creature collection and Tamagotchi-like app. An interview with me about my game was just published. I'm kind of proud, I must admit. Dragon Spirit, post a link. I'm proud too. Little abbreviation for data structures and algorithms. Oh, gross. Been working on the base building system. Nice. Gaia Dev Interview. Accessibility in game development. 6-minute read. All right, I'm not going to read it, but I'm going to breeze. You know what I can do also? I can share. As soon as, yes, there we go. Steam page. A 40-year-old Dutch nutcase. Ridiculous. Guys, make sure to click those links to read this article and wishlist Gaia. It's cool. What is this website? What is this? This ain't it, right? This is it. Was this a picture of inspiration? A guy who approached you? That's cool. Base is just a little terrarium where the Tamagotchis are raised. What kind of features are going into the base building? Very cool, Dragon Spirit. That's awesome. We need trailer. We need it. I want to click a play button. There's a whip of the screen where Gaia will meet Poseidon. Wait, progress so far. You do have a video. You're in Unity, right? Yeah. Right now, mostly terrain editor like Animal Crossing. I didn't play Animal Crossing enough to get to the terrain building. You need a trailer for sure, yeah. Nice. This is where Poseidon will be. It's nice artwork. What's the game about? If you meet gods, can you kill them and take their powers? I don't think so. Oh, no, lower? This one? Why does it look so smooth? Oh, is this Poseidon over here? This not pixel art. Are you going to pixelify it? It is? I guess I can't tell. Oh, it is. Oh, that's fine. It's just really high resolution. I see. Hand pixel the entire thing. Yeah, I see it now. It's nice. It just looks so smooth compared to everything else. Like the resolution's different. Very cool though. Good stuff. Good stuff. Everyone will make sure to wishlist and follow. All right, I think I commented all these out already. Nope, not you. Ooh, I'm losing steam. I gotta take a few minute break. I'm gonna grab some food. Maybe use the bathroom, get some more water. Hang in there, y'all. Wait, what time is it? You know what? Okay, it's 6:50. I'm gonna raid out. I need to go grab dinner. I'm not gonna order and sit at my desk. I'm gonna properly go out and get dinner. So let's find a raid target. Excuse me. I'll entertain them. Don't worry. Damn it now. Gold Digger 1970. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. All right, where should we go? Where should we go? Mr. Friend, you're too kind. Thanks for hanging. The idea is that the player will get back at the end of the game thinking that if a 5-year-old can change the world, so can you. That is nice. The game is about pollution. Basically, the gods, a reference to our world leaders, are making a mess of the world, and Gaia, the goddess, needs the help of my daughter, also Gaia, to help clean up the world by beating the Greek gods. That does sound nice. Wait, ad starting a minute. No, snooze. Snooze. We're ending. So let's do some credits. I haven't done credits in a bit. We actually got follows tonight, and I need to acknowledge them. Thank you, everyone, for the new follows today. Gold Digger, player Mihai, Mr. Friend, Tamu, DB9, and Angel Codes. A computer and Finn, thank you for the modden, and Arrow and Augie, thank you so much for those raids. Everyone, appreciate you hanging out. It's been a slow start this week. I feel like I've been trying to figure out how to stream again. So thanks for bearing with me if you've stuck around. And I'll be back tomorrow, right? Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Same time for a couple hours. Let's go say hi to... Let's actually go say hi to Lakia. Lakia was just here. This channel has follower or subscriber only chat. I did not know that, but we're gonna go say hi anyway. Slow start. There were 40 people. I'm talking about like yesterday and Monday. Even just my energy has been really low. I'm still like in a funk, you know? I'm trying to get out of this funk. It's helping. Doing these streams help. I'm not talking about viewer count. I'm talking about like my own energy. I also barely got anything done. Like I got nothing done. I fixed one bug and probably introduced 100 more with this winter thing. I didn't even get to fully test it. But I'll pick it back up tomorrow. Oh, look at that. I have 2,500 errors, null reference exceptions that I'm seeing now from loading that scene. That's gonna be fun to check. All right, let's go say hi to Lakia, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks, y'all. Peace.